Hi friends, today we are going to solve the problem named compare to linked list from the linked list portion of the data structure. The given problem statement is you are given a pointer to the head nodes of two linked lists. Compare the data in the nodes of the linked list to check if they are equal. If all the data attributes are equal and the lists are of same length, return 1, otherwise return 0. So this is the basic concept. We'll write our code. Basically just have to compare those lists. So while loop list dot next not equal to none, or whichever list has a shorter length, it will take that part. So once we have done that, we'll be checking the each data of that node. So list 1 dot data if not equal to list 2 dot data would be returning 0, which means false. Spelling error. And if it's right, then we would be basically we are checking it for the first element or the first value. Once the first value has been completed, we would be looping it through and we will be appending the list with the next element of the list 1 dot next and list 2 equal to and if all of these statements are executed successfully, then we will return 1. I hope this code would work. Okay, so it basically says after a condition it happens that means in this case what is happening is the length of the list 1 okay, any of the element of list, I'm not sure, list 1 or list 2 has a shorter length than the other, so that's why this while loop is getting an error, because it's basically referencing to a null value or they don't have any more elements left. So to solve this problem we could check if both of the length of the list 1 and list 2 are same or not. We could do using if else, but it would take some time. We could do that using just a try catch block. So if any error occurs basically, so it will just catch, it will accept that error, and instead of that it will basically return 0, which would be our correct output. Because in normal functioning, if both of the element length are same, no error would occur. But if both of the element length are not same, then error would be occurring and it would return 0. So this is the basic idea. Okay, so there could be multiple ways of doing it, but I feel that using try except block can reduce our coding complexity to a huge extent. So whenever possible, learn to use try catch block because it should really help you. And I submitted the code, so that's it guys, that's all for this video. And as I always say, please send me your feedback, because your feedbacks are valuable. It would help me improve in my videos and also help me to probably learn more stuff. And I would like to I would like your feedback, like to know about your knowledge, like to learn from you guys. So join the Discord channel. Tell me uh, your thoughts on this process, or your ideas of solving this same code in a better way. So any better ideas, any better approaches are always welcome. This is not the perfect one. There is always room for improvement. So please share me any code which would be much more easier to understand. So send me those codes, and as always, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned.